What's up, guys? It's your boy Andre Garcia 5.0 once again, and today, check this out. We got a care package sent by the homie. His Instagram is NBSGdub. I'll type it out right here. So what he is selling, it's the airbag emblems. For example, like let's say you have a Trailblazer airbag or Envoy. Look, like check this out. I have a Trailblazer SS airbag, and it has the SS right here. As you can see, it's all old and crusty. So he went ahead and he sent me a care package of a replacement. But I decided to opt for the Intimidator SS1. Check this out. Boom. That is gonna look clean right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is gonna look good. So yeah, guys. Here's the OGSS as well. Here's the OGSS. If you guys could educate me, what is the difference between this SS font and this SS font? I want to know, because I do see that some people have a SS airbag with this font and other people have it with this font right here. But yeah, all right, so let's get it installed. All right, so to install it, you're gonna have to remove the airbag. So as you guys know, safety first. Disconnect your battery. Disconnected it about 30 minutes ago. So we are good. And now we gotta pop that airbag off. We remove the airbag. Here it is. Now we are going to remove these four nuts right here. Basically, I mean, all you have to do to the airbag, just pop it out, just put in the hole right there, like so, and then just pop it out from each side. Pretty straightforward. There's a lot of videos explaining how they do it, but I mean, it's pretty straightforward. So yeah, all right, let's remove. So remove these four nuts right here with a 10 millimeter. Now let's get this off of this. All right, then what you're gonna do after you take off the nuts, you're gonna pry it out a little, and it should come loose on these three ends right here. And now we just go like this. All right. And now we remove the actual airbag itself, but we have to be very, very careful to not unfold it. All right, let's see how we do this. Boom, it is coming out now. Now just be very, very careful to not let the airbag unfold. Well, let's see how we're gonna do that. This is the first time I do this as well, so this is interesting. All right, it looks like it. Because you do not want to mix it all up. Okay, cool. So we have that like that. All right, so now. All right, so this is what we are left with now. There's some tabs in here that we have to undo. And then, boom, we will be ready for sticker installation. All right, so, well, we took the tabs off of the SS on this one. Now I'm kind of wishing I would have just bought like a Envoy or a Trailblazer airbag, so I didn't have to tear this one apart. But I mean, oh well, it is what it is. I mean, it's just materialistic stuff. But I mean, anyways, it's gonna look better with this one over here. All right, so it's gonna look good with the Intimidator SS one. So yeah, this is just gonna be a souvenir. Check this out. This is if you guys have never seen it, well, I'm discovering myself too. This is a metal piece. This is a metal piece. Has grooves and stuff. So yeah, this is a legit Trailblazer SS airbag. So no, this is not going to be a knockoff. All right, now let's put that sticker on. All right, well, we got it on. Was it perfect? I don't know. That is to be determined. I mean, looks pretty good from here. I mean, straight enough, I would say. So, yeah. All right, that is gonna look a lot better once we put the airbag on. So, all right, and then you just pop in the airbag like so. Make sure all of these tabs are nice and closed. So there you go. Now this is what it looks like. Check that out, guys. That is dope. That is dope. Right, so now we pop this bracket in. Now we're gonna put all the nuts back on it. All right, so now all you do, just snug these up. Not too tight, not too loose, just snug it up. And boom, there you go. Now you have a Intimidator SS airbag ready to install on my truck. All right, let's pop it back in, see how she looks. All right, guys, let's see how this looks like now. Oh, this is gonna look good. All right, boom. All right, so now let's plug that battery back in. All right, guys, so there she is. She is all done. It looks amazing. I'll pull it out tomorrow. Take you guys on a nice little drive. But yeah. Boom. Intimidator SS. So we're finally going on that drive I told you guys. Oh yeah. Woo! Well, this is really the grocery getter because I'm about to go to the grocery store, get some stuff. So, yeah. All right, let's go. Package secured. All right, I'm on my way to make a TikTok with these flowers. Let's see what ideas I come up with. Just take a look at that scenery over there. Those mountains back there. All that stuff over there. I'm gonna miss it. Not gonna lie. Yeah, you guys are in for a very big surprise next video. So stay tuned. Stay tuned for that one, guys.